Whoa, hello guys. Today I bought my camera again, so I have more amazing clips of break and lunch and a tiny bit of science, which is about 3 seconds long because I had to stop it quickly. But also, before I start the videos, Sam films one of them, so you check out his channel because I haven't seen it yet, so we'll check it out together. So you click it, boxy, which is like here, yes, here. Yes. Anyhow, I'm standing on a different side of my room. My light and my patch on my wall, where my bed used to be, which is not now, because it is wet. And still under recovery, because the carpet is wet still. So we're still trying to dry it with many tactics. So yeah, my hair's annoying me. Today we had a non-uniform day at school, which was good. So yeah, and later on, why I said later on. So I had IT, which was alright, I guess. Then something else. Now we had science, which was bullshit. Nah, it was alright. It was just we were just talking, really. That was it. And English was actually really fun. So yeah, Sam is in English again. Check out Sam. The box was before, and the link is in the description. Woo. Yes, that was fun. So it was overall a good day. And lunch, and that was fun. I made a treaty with Louise. Law. If you do not know what I mean because you do not hang around with me, do not worry. There is no need to worry. It is just a small joke. So yes, I cannot go too long on this because you guys have to watch the videos. Okay, bye bye.
Baby penguin! I have an idea. There's even penguin. I've already filmed penguin!
February, not
where the fuck is my dog? I've got jeans and tracking shorts, yeah. I always wear a tracking.
I've got tracking.
You're on YouTube yesterday anyway. Yeah, Jake's doing it. I love how Jake's having mine, but your sister had a massive go at me for putting it on YouTube. She goes, how the fuck did you give me that video? I was like, Jacob's video.
Open and empty.
Yeah, she don't like that.
It's still me. It's not Kobe Cuddy. Oh yeah, that is Kobe Cuddy.
Genius.
Anyhow, we're gonna go now. Hello. I'm in science, no? I go.
Paper aeroplanes. Goodbye.
Hello! I'm the vlogging lad! It is very noisy. You kill me. Stop. This is Harry.
Let me record that. Record your vlog. Right.
You cannot hear me now.
Hang on. Where's that one? Okay.
Sam recording. You've got the Sam's channel. I should put links.
Wow, that's so cool.
It's my amazing pussycat.
Kobe, stop being a gay!
For pussycat. Why is it called a pussycat? Because it's pink.
And you could film with a pussy with it.
Yeah. No, that is about all I have. Bye. But check out Sam, he does roller coasters.
Roller coaster.
Hello, I'm sorry last time you could not hear me, or my camera was lagging slightly because my computer was uploading them videos from my camera as well. It might be doing it again now, I don't know why, because it might have not, that's something to do with camera. But anyway, I was going to say something, but I've forgotten it. Shit. Nom 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 nom. Oh yeah. I can't be asked to do the grid. If you want the grid, click on a little box like here, and I'll link that to a grid in one of my last videos, so you can just click straight on it and take you to a video with, well, take you to a channel, each grid, each box, Jacob, Peyton, Vicky, me, no, not him, Kingsley, who else? Who haven't I said? George. Also check out Sam. I put link in the description, and there's a box earlier, and there will probably be a box about now, like, but yes, that is all. I shall see you guys again later.